second supermarket run for snacks. Nice and fresh off the tree. Angie! For baby about. This second, yeah man, and we are carrying from this. It's a second supermarket run for snacks, stacking up again. I don't think we don't put none in the barrel because we don't want them crush up like the Doritos. Even them, we have to keep the Doritos in the box in order for it to crush up, but either way we still have to come stack up on them snack. Unless a hard snacks or something like that. Like some, like when we put in the like them Nutri bar and them something there. Come. Should I close? I just an express line. Haven't had these in the longest while. Let me show you them all them nice and pretty. Yeah, haven't had these in the longest while. I am now gonna try. I'm going to try them off right on here. I'm not salty enough because them taste good as salt, but if you know what this is, let me know. This is gonna be so good. Nice and fresh off the tree. Oh my gosh, guys, this smell is just I haven't peeled one of these in years. This smells so good. So good. That smell. Look at this. No, it needs some salt, but I don't think Daddy have any salt for me to eat it with. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put her. So good. So good. It's so good. Benji, say hi. All right, guys, I don't know what the plan was here, but I knew that I was gonna come up here, we're gonna find something and do. And because we come here the last time and we got the guava did taste nice and sweet, by the way. And we come and the coconut, then the coconut them a dry up because you know the tree them not get as much water or whatever the reason is, but you know them a dry up and them come like them did that turn like, you know, if you know rice and peas coconut, it did a turn into that. So we end up decide for pick off as much as I can get to, as much of them I can reach, I pick off and bring down. And of course me don't know why, but that I have that little adventurous street there and I will me one go up in the tree and wear a dress instead of my shorts. But it was a fun experience. We did fun, like whenever you know, it felt good doing this. It felt good just being outside, finding something else to do and experience the island differently. And making my goal was to make the best of the trip. It was, even if many have sitting in the house, even though we never like that, I wanted to be somewhere where I could go outside underneath a tree and enjoy the environment that I'm in, enjoy the space and live in the moment. So that was the point of this whole situation here, you know. So I had no problem with this, and the kids were just back there running up and down and carrying on. So yeah, that was that. Yeah, I can them dry up to Perky. Yeah, I can them dry up to. I am currently on a walk with my baby. We're somewhere walking Benji. View. I like it. The lighting is nice. The lighting is so nice. I said the lighting is nice. Yeah, it's nice. It's like a good little thing to do. Simple walk with the kids, see some nature, and seeing an actual football field. Like I haven't seen, like, you know, one of them, you know, just made in the earth natural type of football field in a while. Put up your goalpost and just, yeah, you're just ready to go. So it's quite nice and I like it. Benji, yeah. Of course, it's a traditional Jamaican football field. You know, the open lot to them fine and put up two goalposts and bam, you have a football field. Well, the kids had the chance to experience this. And of course, them did enjoy seeing all of that space and I run up and down. Like, until when them go home, them did tired. Them run up and down. First of all, I think AJ enjoyed it more than, you know, Autumn. Autumn really enjoyed it, but she kind of did in her own little lane. But they were having the time of their life running around there and just experiencing this, you know, the environment, the space, the freedom, nature, just the land, all of that. But yeah, this was a good chill day. We went to take Benji for a walk and we just used the time to just experience everything. To get them out. Let me try it. There you go. Okay. Was a topping. Benji is so fancy getting coconut on top. A lot of coconut. Look at this. Coconut for days. Rice and peas coconut. Oh yes! They're probably well done now. Coconut for days. Good morning. This is another day, second week. This is second week in Jamaica, getting ready for country. Finally, the kids are up. It is now 6 a.m. Don't put that on. That is very dirty. So. Alright, so today is another day in week 2 and we are heading to country. So yesterday the video that you saw, you know, we're spending the night. So today we're ready and dressed for country. Today we're ready and dressed for country, and come along. I'm going to show you what I can show you and record my journey there. I think we're taking the toll. If we don't, I'll show you the fun route. I actually believe that route is the fun route. It takes longer, but if you don't, that's fine as well. So see you in the next clip. Which one to turn them? The one here. The other one here and the first one? For baby about it don't have no upon it. Mango, what on a beer? What on a beer? 2 aki tree that was so far. We're not cross over to somebody else, yeah. It's like a border. The next door to border them. Eh? Border is their property. Okay. But forget the thing, you have to go to them, yeah. Oh. That's a for them land?
But the cane, I think it's a rental.
A rental?